Hi, Learndash users. Do you want to display a custom message on quiz completion by a user? If yes, then you should know that Learndash provides a feature called graduation levels. Once you set a graduation level, you can display a custom message to the user on the quiz results page. Level is setting a minimum score in percentage that must be attained in order for the display of the message. To enable this feature, you have to go each quiz settings. Enable the result messages in settings. If you want to show the same message to everyone, just enter a message in the first box, and that's it. You can also show multiple messages based on score. For example, you can display a "Please try again" message to users who score between 0 and 80%, or display a "You passed" message to users who score between 81% and 89%, or display a "You earned a certificate" message to users who score between 90 and 100%. After enabling the result messages setting, enter your message for the 0 to 80% group in the first box. Click the Add Graduation link at the bottom of the box. Enter 81 in the input field for score. Add your message for the 81% to 89% group. Click the Add Graduation link at the bottom of the box. Enter 90 in the input field and add your message for the 90% to 100% group. Now you have 3 separate messages set up. Students will receive a message based on their score. Let's see how it shows to user. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe our channel for more video related to Learndash and don't forget to click bell icon.